Okay, today I'm only going to go through these two problems, 19 and 20, for your study guide. All right, so take a look at this, and we notice a lot of letters and a lot of missing angles. So what we need to do first is just, let's identify some things. I like to look for vertical angles first. So right here I see this angle is vertical from H, so H is going to be 60. This is vertical from J, so J is going to be 124. 64 is directly vertical from A, so A is going to be 64. And those are all the vertical angles. Now I'm going to look for, the 90-degree complementary angles. And I see this right here is 90. So directly next door to it, you could recognize right here that D will be 90. And once we figure out D, then directly across from it, B is 90. Okay, so we have that almost done there. Basically, the only one we have to figure out is this piece right here, which is going to be the same as this piece right here. And if E and A are complementary and they equal 90, that means 90 minus 64 is going to be 26. So the E is going to be 26, and if E is 26, then directly across from it, C is going to be 26. Okay. So now let's go up here. If this right here is 60, this one right here is connected to a supplementary angle. So like right here, this right here is supplementary. Okay. So that means that this plus this is going to be 180. So 180 minus 60 is going to be 120. Actually, just 20. No, 120. So this is going to be 120. So if G is 120, directly across from it, F is going to be 120. All right, so let's just see if these are all done. This is done, 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 done. All right, last one. If this is 124, I'm going to notice that this one and this one are supplementary. See how they're sitting on that straight line? And a half circle, so 180 degrees. So that means 180, subtract 124, is going to be 56. And 56 is directly across from K, which K would be 56. All right, so we have all those done. So let's just kind of look back and see what we've got. We got 90, 126. We have 64 here. I have 90 here, 26, 64. Those are all done. 120, 60, 120, 60. Done there. 56, 124, 56, 124. All right, so now I'm just going to go over here and fill in my answers. So angle A, which is right here, is going to be 64. Angle B, which is right next to it, 90. Angle C, right here, 26. Angle D, right across there, 90. Angle E, right here, 26, angle F right here, 120, angle G right there, 120, angle H right here, 60, angle I right here, 56, angle J right next to it, 124, and angle K, 56. So if you don't have your paper that's to copy this all down, this is what you should have written on your paper to turn in to Miss Strobel. Okay, let's go to the next one. Ooh, I see a lot of vertical angles, so I'm just going to start filling those in. If this is 48, then this is 48. But that doesn't help me with that letter. Let's just do the letters. Right here, E is going to be 104. J is going to be 104. G is going to be 29, because I could see that. But that's going to be hard to see when I finish it. Let me write that a little bit bigger. 29. Okay. Oh, B right here is going to be 49. Okay. So far, so good. I have to figure out F here. Okay, so now I notice that these two angles are sitting on a straight line. So those together are going to equal 180 degrees. So 180 subtract 48 is going to be 32. 132. So F is going to be 132. Okay, now I notice that 104 and D are also sitting on a straight line. I got a little semicircle there. That's a supplementary. So I'm going to do 180, subtract 104, 76. So that'll be 76. Okay, then I go over here and I notice that 104 and I are also sitting on a straight line. See that? So that's 180, a supplementary. 180 minus 104. That's 76. So I is going to be 76, and directly across from it is also going to be 76. Okay, and then let's go up here and look at this one. Okay, C and 29 are also sitting on a straight line and make a half circle, semicircle, so that also is going to be supplementary. So 180 minus 29. $51, 151. Okay. And let's do H right here. So 113 and H are also sitting on a little straight line there. So 180, I'll do this one down here. I'll do it right here. 180 minus 113. Wait, yeah. So H is going to be 67. And then the last one here, I have 49 and A are sitting on a line too, 180 degrees, supplemental. So 180 subtract 49 is 31. So A is going to be 31. All right, so let's find my letters. There's B is 49. I'm just going to F is 132, 76, 104. I got 76, 151, 29, 67. Okay, here we go. Let's find A. Is going to be, where's A? Right here, 31. B is, where's B? Let's see B. Maybe you see it. H, B, A, B. Oh, right here. 49. And C is right here, 151. D is right there, 76. E is right here, 104. F is, I put middle degree symbols there. F is right here, 132. G is right here, 29. H is, where's H? Right there, 67. I is right here, 76. And J is right here, 104. And K is right here, 76. Okay, so hopefully that helped you go through those a little bit more carefully. Again, you should try this by yourself and then try to solve it. Here, yeah.